Jai Hind everyone. So the topic of my lecture is ASEAN, Association of Southeast Nations. So this organization commonly known as the ASEAN. So this was formed on the 8th of August 1967 by the Declaration of Bangkok, and the basic object of this was to increase the stability among the all country, those who are its member, and encourage trade relations between these countries. The motto of this group is one vision, one identity, and one community. This organization was formed by the Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and another one is Thailand in 1967. Each year we celebrate as ASEAN Day on 8th of August. As well, if we see some nowadays the member of ASEAN, so there are 10 member of this groups, and India is also one of the member of this group. So if we see some rules or principle of the ASEAN, so there are some rules that no country will be interfere in any other country particular personal internal matter, and there will be peaceful dispute, and there will be no interference among the another country relations. And if we see some point another for India, the significance of the importance or ASEAN for the India. So for India, ASEAN play a wider role to counter China as well. This is also very important, play a wider role for the increasing trade among all the nations, as this also sometimes focus on the free trade agreement for different type of nations. As friends, we also focus on this also focus upon the increased connectivity among all these country like north east country, and this also important for the people to people relation by increase the relation among the neighboring country, those who are its group. So if we see some another point regarding that also help for countering China. So by this we decrease some of our trade between from China to ASEAN nations. And if we see some issue regarding the ASEAN, so there are some issue. There is a trade deficit, imbalance of the trade. So we have seen that there is a in 2021-22 there was around US$ 42 billion trade among the India and ASEAN nation in 21-22. As we also know that there is also problem regarding regional connectivity. So there is not good connectivity, and there is limited connectivity among these nations. And if we come to the point, another point, that is there is a 662 million population of all the some of all ASEAN nations as well. The GDP of all ASEAN nations are 3.2 trillion of US$ of all the ASEAN nation. So we have to also need to increase the GDP for the betterment of this group. Thank you. Jai Hind.